Flippa is being promoted as an online marketplace where you can easily buy and sell websites, apps, and digital businesses. But the real question is whether it's actually that simple or comes with hidden challenges. The platform typically allows users to list or browse businesses like Shopify stores, blogs, SaaS tools, and domains, with options to buy outright or bid through auctions. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Online business marketplaces are a real thing, and Flippa has been around for years, connecting buyers and sellers globally. However, here's the key issue. While the platform works, it's not as easy as it sounds. Many listings are low quality, overpriced, or lack proper verification, which means buyers need to do serious due diligence before making a purchase. There are also some common concerns from users. Buyers often report inaccurate revenue claims, while sellers mention fees and competition, making it harder to close good deals. User experiences are mixed. Some people successfully buy profitable businesses or sell projects quickly, but others say they've wasted time on misleading listings or deals that didn't perform as expected. It's also important to understand that buying or selling a business is rarely easy. It requires research, negotiation, and risk management. No platform can remove that completely. So, is Flippa an easy way to buy and sell businesses? It can be a useful marketplace, but it's far from beginner-proof. The bottom line is that Flippa is a legit platform with real opportunities, but it requires careful evaluation and realistic expectations, especially if you're new to buying or selling online businesses. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.